Fabmatics is a specialist in automating material flows in semiconductor factories. We ensure that the wafer cassettes in these factories are automatically identified, transported, stored and handled without any manual intervention.
Unsere Systeme kommen weltweit zum
Our
Einsatz.
systems are used worldwide in 200mm and 300mm factories. And with these solutions, we help our customers to produce efficiently, cleanly and safely. The Test Wafer Center is a fully automated system for preparing, sorting and storing test wafers in semiconductor manufacturing.
Diese Testwafer
These test wafers make up to 50% of the complete wafer stock in a fab and are therefore crucial for qualifying the system, especially after order processors. Compiling test wafer lots is often time-consuming and complex, and therefore also extremely time-critical. This is exactly where our TWC comes in. It fully automatically assembles these test wafer lots from a large number of wafers and transfers them to the subsequent processors. The TWC offers ample storage space for the necessary source and target cassettes, thus significantly reducing downtime after maintenance, and factories make measurable gains in stability and output.
Das Herzstück unserer
The
Produkte
heart of our products in the TWC is a CX series IPC from Beckhoff. This collects all information via Ethercat-connected I/O components and also communicates with cameras or with RFID readers, controls the robotics, and can be addressed by higher-level systems via OPC UA.
CUA von übergeordneten Systemen angesprochen werden. Die Nutzung von TwinSafe-Komponenten
Implementing twin-safe components in conjunction with FSOE also makes our devices safe. As the complete system configuration, software development and diagnostics are all bundled together in TwinCat, it's easy to maintain an overview.
Und wichtig für uns ist auch,
Being able to version projects in Git, thus enabling simultaneous work on projects, is also important to us.
an Projekten ermöglicht wird. Und das wiederum
This makes it easier to reuse our source code, increases quality and boosts efficiency.
und steigert die Effizienz. Auch in anderen Produkten setzen wir Komponenten von Beckhoff
We
ein.
also use Beckhoff components in other products. We've implemented more and more of their drive technology in our company over the past few years. This extends from the large AX8000 series, motor controllers, to the small compact drive technology components, to Beckhoff servo motors. Thanks to one-cable technology and fast integration in TwinCat, engineering work has been significantly reduced.
Deutlich reduziert.